Alright guys, on the bench we have a Cobra 25 Night Watch LTD Classic. And no surprise, I'm sure, Night Watch doesn't work. So this is Gary's radio in my state of Massachusetts. And he was wondering if I could take a look at the Night Watch, align it. This display was faulty and this bulb was out on the meter. So, yeah, those were the things he want. Oh, yeah, and the microphone. His microphone was all ratty, so I had this good used microphone laying around, appropriate for this radio. And, yeah, he just wants to have it in his pickup truck. Nothing crazy. He's not, he's not looking for anything special. He just wants a good working radio, and this is what he has. So, yeah, I told him about the problems with the Night Watch. They have a shelf life depending on, how much you use the radio, but, average is, I've been seeing about a year, sometimes less, sometimes more, obviously depending on, the radio and, I don't know, maybe the time of day it was made, but, sometimes you're lucky with the ribbon cable, sometimes it just splits there, but chances are it's, right in there is where the bend is for the ribbon cable, and usually it cracks there, and you're kind of out of luck when that happens. And then even if that is working, a lot of times only half the display will light up, the other half will be dead, or vice versa, or sometimes you might just have one spot on. So it's a problem that I think Cobra is aware of. They just refuse to update the way that they do things. And I mean, if we can go back to the auto body, when I was doing auto body, there's I kind of keep in touch with some of the people, and there's a product called Lumalor, and it's essentially a electric paint, I guess you could say, and it'll actually glow, but it's very, very expensive, and it's definitely not worth putting that time and money into this radio, or really any CB for that matter with Night Watch. It's definitely high end automotive paint. But yeah, so I mean he was well aware of that, and yeah, so we got the display in, so now it's nice display. Bulb was blown in there, so we put a white LED in there, and it does work with the dim feature, the dim pot. So yeah, everything is working well. Did a full alignment, and I had trouble with that one right there. It was packed full of wax, but I think it was like the paraffin wax. So yeah, that took some finagling to get in there. Man, let me tell you, sometimes they just pack these things full of wax, and it's the hard wax too, and then it's been no one's touched this radio for a while, so it's just sitting there hard, and so I kind of just hovered the soldering tip around there, trying to get it nice and soft, and then I kind of dug out around it, and it, fortunately that worked. And yeah, so I got it all aligned, and modulation set properly. We can take a look at that. Sorry for the beep. There we go. Sorry about the glare. Alright. We got... Sorry about the glare, guys. It's getting pretty dark over here. 4 watts. And these aren't really huge swinging radios, but radio check, check, check. Audio, audio, audio. Yeah, so it's good enough for him. I mean, you're not going to get much more, especially with these finals. Well, this final. But yeah, it's a good working radio. It's, I think peak I had it just at around 13. So yeah, well, there you have it. So just a quick video, for this showing off this Cobra 25 Night Watch without the Night Watch. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and if you enjoy these videos, you're getting some information out of them, give me a thumbs up. Any comments, suggestions, leave them, please. Thank you. Send me your CBs. Send me your radios. Thanks, guys.